Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the Aussie dollar monthly, as you can see, price has been going down pretty strong. I still feel like this move up is possibly like an A of Y, and this move down is actually the B of Y, and that it is going to make a higher low, and end up continuing up for the wave C of wave Y. To complete this, 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and then 3 waves up for a WXY pattern. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can see this uptrend right here. I think this is the wave A of wave Y. I was originally thinking the correction was already over, but it's pretty clear this is an A, B, C, but then it made a D, and this is probably a wave E. I think we're headed down to at least a 78 or maybe even 88% to finish off this wave B, and then most likely we're going to head back up to make that wave C of wave Y. So let's take a look at that on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this is where you can see what I think is an A, B, C, and then instead of continuing the uptrend like it should at the end of an A, B, C, what happened was it made another 3 waves up, telling me that it's probably a wave D, and that we're probably actually going down now for like a wave E, which I think will go down to that 78% fib level that I was showing on the weekly time frame. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for shorts in a downtrend. I'm looking for 3 way pullbacks, ABC up, ABC up. Those are exactly what I'm looking for to go short for the continuation of this downtrend. We are approaching this most recent low, but I don't really think that's the end of anything. But it may be an area where we make a pullback, which if it does, that's excellent for us because that will give us another opportunity to go short at the end of the pullback for the continuation of the downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for shorts in a downtrend. I'm looking for 3 way pullbacks. So if it does make a move to the upside, I'm not going to be going long, but instead I'm going to be waiting for the end of a pullback. If I see 3 waves up and pulse them down, ABC correction, then that's exactly what I'm looking for to go short for the continuation of this downtrend. At least until I see some evidence on the higher time frames that this move down is over, which I definitely have not seen yet. So I'm definitely just going to continue to go short at the end of every single pullback that I see on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.